I'm gonna show you how to turn Uber Eats to Uber driver. So to get started, you have to open your browser, Google, and then type in turn Uber Eats to Uber driver, and then go click on the first link right here. And then after that, you will go redirected to the homepage of Uber. Then go to contact support to switch. And then once you're there, you have to click the link on. If you're a driver partner who wants to switch from Uber Eats to delivery to driver, you have to click on that link. And then once you're on that link, you just have to scroll down right there, and you can just send them a message right here if your queries are found in this type of questions. And if your questions were not met in here, you can just go back and then go to contact support and have to click on the chat with us, and then you have to input your queries, turn Uber Eats to Uber driver, and then from there they will just guide you through how to change to Uber Eats to Uber drivers. So that's how you turn Uber Eats to Uber driver.